Right now it's being called an epidemic, the ratio of blacks versus whites who are behind bars in the Charleston County Jail. The numbers released in a new study out today. Our police reporter Harv Jacobs live at the Charleston County Jail with details. So Harv, why are the leaders looking into making changes now?
Well, Debbie, officials say they've known about this problem for quite some time, but they have no money to do anything about it. Well, soon that may all change. According to the Justice Management Institute, an African American is almost 5 times more likely to be jailed in Charleston County than a white person. Is it fair to say there are too many minorities in our jail?
Absolutely, and that's not a Charleston-specific issue. Again, that's epidemic across the country. With a
$150,000 grant from the MacArthur Foundation, the Justice Management Institute and Charleston County Criminal Justice Coordinating Council are working together to try to reduce the number of African Americans in the jail. The council is made up of law enforcement officials, judges, prosecutors, and public defenders.
What we're trying to do is make sure that the right people are in jail and they stay there, and the people that shouldn't be in jail are not there.
Lucas is chairman of the council. He says many of the minorities are locked up for lesser offenses where they can't come up with bond money.
What if we didn't make them come up with 500? What if we had a process that said this person is a good candidate to show up for court without requiring him to post a cash bond?
Lucas says many offenders forget to come to court and wind up being jailed on a bench warrant.
We're looking at creating some type of probably automated system where it calls you or texts you and says, remember court tomorrow, to show up at 10 o'clock. There's just better ways of doing things than we've known about them, but it costs money.
Lucas says that money may soon be coming. The county is hoping to qualify for up to $2 million from the MacArthur Foundation to put its plan into action to reduce the African American jail population. The answer could come early next year. And Lucas says if that additional grant money comes through, the jail population reduction program could be put into effect in July of next year. Reporting live from the Charleston County Jail, I'm Harv Jacobs, Live 5 News.
Tonight, if you live in Georgetown County and have damage from the recent flooding, there is a meeting set to get your questions answered. The county, FEMA, and emergency management officials will be offering information on things like federal assistance or what you and your family may be eligible for. That meeting starts very soon at 6:30 at Browns Ferry Elementary School.